what's up, you guys? Happy New Year! Happy 2019. Can you believe it's 2019 already? I know I can't. It's amazing how fast 2018 just flew by, and it's just insane. But anyway, this is going to be a really quick tutorial again. I know I haven't really posted much of a interesting video lately, but it's just because I haven't been feeling that great. I've been fighting the flu for about 3 days now, and I am getting better though. So if you want to send me good get well wishes, smack that like button, because that really will probably make me feel better. And sorry if you hear my hands move. My hands are a little cold, but that's nothing new because usually this time of year it's a little chilly. But anyway, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to measure your computer temperatures. Now this is real simple. There's plenty of programs out there to do this. The one I highly suggest using is Speccy. I used to call it Specy, but it's actually pronounced Speccy. So if you want to download it, I'll have this link down in the description field. So, and if you want to pay for the professional version, go right ahead. I just use the free version, which I suggest for home users. But anyway, when you run it, yeah, and basically it'll give you details about your computer too, about what you have in your motherboard, how much RAM, etc., etc. The first time you run it, it might take a while to analyze, and your temperatures will be shown in Celsius. But to change that, you just go into View Options, and you just change it to Imperial, which is Fahrenheit, and then instead of metric. So that's pretty much about it, guys. I hope you have a good January, and like I said, I can't believe it's 2019 already. It's amazing how fast time is going. But anyway, if you guys like this video, give it a like to make me probably feel better, and share it around, comment, etc. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'll try to answer them the best I can. And if not, have a wonderful January to the new year. And I'll see you all in the next one. Oh yeah, and before I forget, my computer adventures, that will be coming out soon. I gotta figure out what video I could make. I do have a computer that we can do a review on and plug it in and have fun, but I gotta figure out what to talk about yet. So anyway, with that, you guys have a great January. Comment, like, subscribe, and remember, more content coming out soon. And I'll talk to you later. Bye for now.